How to use the chat function in Microsoft Teams. Welcome everyone, and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to use the chat function for your Teams, tap open your Microsoft Teams in your device. Make sure that you are logged in into your Microsoft account. Now each of your meeting does have its very own chat function. If you do not have one, make sure to create a meeting first and foremost. You will find a chat interface something like this, in which you can typically type a message. However, you can also select the format of the messaging, that is, the font, style, and more. Not only this, you can also attach photograph files, emojis, GIFs, or even create your very own Giphies through AI. And also, regarding important terms, you can create poll so that the issue can be easily mitigated. Now this is the poll icon over here. By tapping on it, you can create polls for serious discussions. For an example, in this poll, let's go ahead and discuss about lunch, as it is one of the corporate biggest issue. So you can just type in lunch and you can add couple of description and options. After which, vote from members and yourself will be counted as majority and minority. You can set it as multiple selection as well. For a preview, it is gonna look something like this. To submit a vote, the people have to tap on this box and click on Submit Vote. That is how a poll works in the chat as well. So now you can chat with the members about important agendas to lunch scene. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.